guys, welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up to ocean breeze, stepping into a space designed for comfort, relaxation, and unforgettable moments. Welcome to this stunning beach house.
We've talked about making this video for a long time now, and we've mentioned it so many times. Yet, we kept holding off. Not because we didn't want to share this place, but because some things are hard to explain until you've really lived them. This home carries 4 years of our lives, 4 years of planning, learning, adjusting, and trusting ourselves even when things felt uncertain. This place wasn't built overnight. It was built slowly, thoughtfully, with intention. Every corner holds a decision. Every space has a reason.
Is it a little nervous?
When we first imagined this place, it was supposed to be our home. Somewhere we could come back to. Somewhere that felt grounding, and somewhere that felt like us. But along the way, the vision evolved. We realized that we didn't just want to build a home. We wanted to create a place that could be shared. A place where people could slow down, reconnect, celebrate, or simply rest. Because this place, it gave us that feeling first. Living here showed us how special this place really is. There's a rhythm to life here, a balance between movement and stillness. People come here to breathe differently, to reset, to feel present again. And we wanted to be part of that. So instead of keeping this home just for ourselves, we decided to open it up, to let others experience it when we are not here. This house is made up of our blood, sweat, and tears, literally and figuratively. There were long days, hard decisions, moments of doubt, but we kept going. Because once you decide to fully commit, you don't look for an exit. You look for a way forward. One thing this journey taught us is this: it's okay for plans to change. Sometimes the dream doesn't disappear. It just transforms into something bigger than what you first imagined. And oftentimes, the things that matter most are the ones that take the longest to build. So now that you know the heart behind this place, let us finally show you around.
This property sits in a 300 square meter lot, and each square meter has been purposely maximized. On the third floor, we have a dining area and living room, which we converted recently into a lounge/cafe. So trust me, you're gonna wanna see what's upstairs.
This home isn't just a vacation rental. It's a space built for slowing down, for meaningful conversations, for early mornings and unplanned nights. It's for people who need a break, who want to reconnect, or who simply want a place that feels easy to be in.
Cost of the property for this 300 square meter lot, it is 4 million pesos. Construction build is another 17 million pesos. The furnishing is a whole other story. Some of the unique features of this property is the rooftop pool, amazing sunset views, and of course, last but not the least, the lounge.
This place began as a simple idea, a home we could return to, a place that felt familiar, grounding, and safe. Over time, it became something more. It became a reminder that plans don't always unfold the way we expect, and that sometimes the best things in life come from allowing them to change. Every corner of this home carries a story of patience, of persistence, of choosing to keep going, even when it felt uncertain. This home exists because we believed in something before we had all the answers. Because we stayed patient when progress felt slow, and because we chose intention over urgency. We hope that if you stay here someday, you feel the care that went into it. That you slow down a little, breathe a little deeper, and leave feeling lighter than when you had arrived. This isn't just a place to stay. It's a place to come back to.
Okay guys, that wraps up our full property tour. If you like this video or you got some inspiration from the design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which part of the house is your favorite. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye!